Hi, my name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet.
We are Trippin' Birds. So, here we got our newest apartment. This is the kitchen. We're in Senja right now. This is the balcony and the view. Wow, looking good. And then bathroom, bedroom, also with a view. And that's about it. I think we will survive here for 8 nights. So today we tried another hike, didn't work out the way we wanted. I'm completely soaked. I think September is not the right time for trying out. So now we're going to Underdalen National Park. Hike number 2 today, and this one looks actually pretty good. Solid ground, but it's way better than the one we did before. Maybe. It's really exhausting.
Well, it's for free though.
Yes. So we finally made it to
Bergbotten? I don't know.
On which island?
We're on Senja Island.
Exactly so.
At least we know this.
Yes, so we arrived here a few days ago. Yesterday we brought you on a hike and now enjoy the view. Lotte, you eating pastistinata again?
Okay, pastistinata are my number one.
And this is
These are my number two.
knallsnurren,
Kannelsnurr.
karnelsnurr. So now we are on the world famous beach Bolvør, I think.
Something.
And yeah, nobody here, just us tripping birds here around. And
I would like to swim here, but I guess the water is pretty cold though. But it looks very inviting.
it is really inviting. And now enjoy the drone footage with us. So hello, today we are on a hike. It's pretty fresh. Tonight the temperature dropped a little bit and the wind came up, and we're in the shade right now, so it's a little freezy, but in front of us we can see the sun, and we
Can't wait to warm up and go.
And we're going up a mountain now. This is the most famous hike on Senja. We are going to the Hesten with the view on the Segla, which is the most iconic mountain here. Enjoy with us our little hike experience for the day. Sun is out. And here we're going up. Final destination, this tippy top.
We're warming up really quickly here.
We have to go up here now. We already made it up here. Made it.
We found another epic lonely beach here. A mussel sand beach with crystal blue water. I can't believe this.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the
Today we're starting another hike.
And we chose the coldest region here on Senja.
Yeah.
Everywhere else
Look.
it's nice, but here it's frozen.
The sun will never reach it here till spring.
But the scenery!
Yeah, the scenery is
Scenery.
it's so beautiful here. So I managed to step into the first mud hole. We are now 1.1k in, 20 minutes. And
Ooh, I'm warming up.
yeah, it's getting warmer for us. Same effect, the shade is really cool, but from the water there comes a nice breeze, which makes it a little more mild. So we just came through this birch forest, so you could hold on. But it's technically, I'd say, a little for advanced hikers. You got always these mud things, you see. So you need to avoid it going around, finding other routes. That's kind of interesting hiking stuff here on Senja.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight.
We managed to do 3.2k in almost an hour. It's a little tricky, but it's so beautiful. It's worth every single mud hole we went in.
From a fjord.
We came from a fjord down to this sea here,
Back
a lake,
to a lake.
with a waterfall in the back. And now we walk here this muddy road till further notice. This is so incredible here. It's wow, just wow. We literally can stop here every other second taking this nature in. So we ended up turning around because supposed to be 2.5 hours, turned out to be almost 4 hours, and we didn't bring any food with us, so we decide.
And it was also not easy to find the tracks.
Yeah, this is like search and find, because it's not real. Sometimes it looks like only a moose was walking here. We made it to Tromsø and finishing off our vlog here. Had a great time and see you in the next one, which will be in Seychelles. Bye.
We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the